$20,000 in today's US car market doesn't go as far as it used to. But what if I told you there are still a few used cars that can easily last 200,000 to 300,000 miles? And most people overlook them. Let's break it down. What's up, everyone? Welcome back. If you're shopping for a reliable car under $20,000 in the US right now, this video will save you time and probably a lot of money. No fluff, just real cars that actually make sense in 2026. First one, Toyota Camry. This is basically the definition of a safe buy in America. Super reliable engine, cheap maintenance, high resale value. Most people don't even research Camry anymore. They just buy it because it just works. Number 2, Honda Civic. If you want something fuel efficient, easy to maintain, and still fun to drive, this is it. This is the car you'll see everywhere in the US, and there's a reason for that. Number 3, Toyota Corolla. Not flashy, not fast, but extremely reliable. This is the car people buy when they don't want surprises. No breakdown drama, no expensive repairs. Number 4, Lexus ES350. Now this one is interesting. Lexus ES350. This is where reliability meets luxury. You're basically getting Toyota engineering, but with a premium interior and comfort upgrade. Honestly, this is one of the best hidden gems under $20,000 right now. Number 5, Mazda 3. Last one, Mazda 3. This car is often ignored, but people who actually drive it know how solid it is. It feels more premium than its price tag, and it's fun to drive compared to most economy cars. So yeah, these are 5 of the best used cars under $20,000 in the US right now. If you want a part 2, like SUVs under $20,000 or cars you should avoid in 2026, let me know. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more US car breakdowns like this.